Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I want to teach about shadda. Shadda, this is the symbol of the shadda. Or right here, you have the symbol right here. I have the symbol right here. I have it right here. It's like a small W. Shadda means to double the expression of the word. You have to double how you read it. It is easier to understand if someone reads it. For example, I'm going to apply shadda on this lamb. There my fingerprint or my pen. لعله. Let's apply it to the zain or za. Yazakka in the kaf too. Yazakka. I apply the shadda. If I did not apply the shadda, it should be just yazakka, yazakka. By applying the shadda, it becomes yazakka. That's a shadda to double. Yazakka. So there is more to the shadda than just doubling. We have two kinds of shadda. We have original shadda. Always read. Original shadda, always read. If it's original, you always read it. How do you know? Original shadda, I wrote right here. Original shadda is same as the shadda, or original shadda is shadda belongs to the word. It's the shadda that belongs to the word. Usually it comes in the between, at the end, or at the beginning of the word. For example, usually shadda comes in the between. You can right here. This is the lam is in the between, or the za and the ka is in the between. A lot of time it comes in the between. Right here, the ba is in the between. The yi is in the between. But sometimes it comes at the end. At the end. Rarely it comes in the beginning. It happens, but not a lot of time. So that's original shadda. Non-original shadda are only read if the two words or ayahs are joined and read together. Non-original shadda are only read if the two words or two ayahs are joined and read together. For example, non-original shadda. This lam is non-original. If it's non-original, we only read it if you join this word, this letter, and this letter together. If you join them, when you read these two words together, you apply the shadda. But if you read them separately, you do not apply the shadda. For example, if you were to read the haqa, you should say la yasma'una. No shadda. You don't say la yasma'una. La yasma'una. You don't say that. If you read them separately, even the shadda is written. The shadda is not original. It's only put there so to make it, to combine it with the previous word. Number 4 is just explanation. If a shadda is original or non-original joined shadda, Let me repeat that. If a shadda is original or non-original shadda joined, read it by doubling the letter. It means if you have original shadda, as we talk about, you always read it, original shadda. Non-original shadda, but joined with another word, you should read it by doubling, as we did right here. لعله or ضحاكا لا يسمعون. ضحاكا لا يسمعون. I emphasize it more so you can see. ضحاكا لا يسمعون. 5. Do not read or apply shadda in the beginning of ayah. Do not read or apply shadda in the beginning of ayah. It means you don't read. If you begin la yasma'una, you don't read in the beginning of ayah or in the beginning of word. If you want to say that, you do not read the shadda. For example, mubin rubama, no shadda. Dihaqa la yasma'un, no shadda. You only read the shadda if you join it. So right here is an explanation of non-original shadda. Non-original shadda joins two words. It joins two words, like this one. Like this one. Because the shadda joined the dihaqa and the la. Dihaqa la isman. Or words like waqalat ta'ifatum min. The shadda on the ta is non-original. The shadda on the mim is non-original. You only read it if you join all together. وَقَالَتْ طَائِفَةٌ مِّن. So if you were to read them separately, for example, if you say وَقَالَتْ, you are stopped. You just say طَائِفَةٌ. You don't say طَا. You don't make the shadda on the طَا. Or right here, طَائِفَةٌ or طَائِفَةٌ. You say min. You don't say min. No, you don't do that. You only do that if you join it. Right? And then let me just go over it, read it one more time. You see how can you apply the shadda. لَتُفْسِدُنَّ لَعَلَّهُ يَزَّكَّى إِنَّ اللَّهَ رَبَّانِيٌّ وَقَالَتْ طَائِفَةٌ مِّن. Right? مبين ربما دحاقا لا يسمعون. السلام عليكم.